Ousama, how do I know if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is pleased with me?
If you want to know where you stand with Allah, don't look at your bank account. Don't look at your followers. Look at what He keeps you busy with. إِذَا أَرَدْتَ أَن تَعْرِفَ مَقَامَكَ فَانْظُرْ فِي مَا أَقَامَكَ. When Allah wants good for someone, He occupies them with obedience. If you find yourself constantly pulled back to salah, that's a sign. If after sin you feel discomfort, that's a sign. If you're protected from opportunities that would have corrupted you, that's also a sign. Think of it like this. If a king keeps assigning you tasks inside the palace, you know you're trusted. But if he leaves you outside the gates, that's different. Allah's pleasure doesn't always look like ease. Sometimes it looks like discipline. Sometimes it looks like being stopped. Sometimes it looks like being humbled. The real measure is this. Are you slowly becoming more obedient over time? Because Allah's pleasure is not comfort, it's guidance.